is really, really frustrating. Like, I don't know why or what is wrong with um me going live. I tried this yesterday. Network was not friendly, and I really have to do this video. I really want to share this with you guys. So let me try again today. I just hope and believe that it will work out today. So good evening to everyone. This is Onyi, and in most of my lives, I'll be speaking Igbo so that our non-Igbo indigene uh, can test their Igbo language learning as well. Ki test your mark in a full. I'll be mixing it anyway. So this particular story, I've been wanting to share it with you guys since yesterday because this lady came to our office yesterday. It's really, really surprising that some persons can actually risk their life. They know that there is fire here. Hana achọkwa ka ha banye na that ọkụ. Can you imagine? So this particular lady na-ekwu now, she always visit our office. Ọ na-abịa our office all the time. Like we work at the same place, but imago our office differs. Ọ na-abịa our office all the time. So 3 months ago, ka ifudebe this lady, and then we had to ask of her. I got an office here, Jonas and Kaimaruno Kara, why she hasn't been coming around. So in the office here, I say that Noga 1 week leave. Noga 1 week leave. And 1 week leave, I got to go now. Yet, Obido Boro. So they had to go and look for her. Her chori agano noya. Her phone at this lady, the down. That is, she was sick. Okuya zaraza, akure achele. Yes, achele is a poison, actually. This lady stepped on a poison. When the person step on this particular poison, the leg begins to swell and rot. So that is what actually happened to this lady. So she was lying sick. Okuya zachacharaza. For some weeks, because she wasn't standing, she wasn't doing anything. So he could this lady jawonogo, and this achele can hardly be cured. Because my Igbo indigenous negemonte, what is achele? I really want to know what is achele. Yes. So yes, the Igbo teacher is asking this one, what is achele in English? Because but yeah, it's a poison actually. So before this achele patient any medicine, I go to confirm or na hospital whether achele true before we go Igbo, because once achele, if the person start taking English medicine, definitely the person must surely die, because that achele kills a lot. Only buma the well. So he buri ebia ụlọọgwụ chekwa ya o. Lo and behold, oburu achele bihaku this lady. Eburi rush ya to ụlọọgwụ. Na that yard obi ka akure that thing. Eburi rush ya ụlọọgwụ, village. That is kpọwaze be ha nekwa na nwanne unu nwaanyị dịkwa sick na emekwara ihe dị otu a. So the people came, I brought this lady in our village. Native doctor treat we and now. That is Dibia Igbo. Dibia Igbo bụ native doctor. Dibia Oyibo bụ English doctor. Hancha bụ dibia. So it depends on kedu di dibia. So native doctor we treat we kuya onye imago this herbal medicine. This lady want to go onwe the chachama. Do you know what this lady did? She returned back to that same yard and acquired achele. That same yard, they did that to her. She returned back to that yard. Do you know what happened? I believe not the same person kubure the first one, kukwai also, the second time. Initially, when this lady recovered, she was like, no ye feel no ye buwe, abia buwe kofu. Can you imagine that people got just knock at no they risk their life unnecessarily? You know there is danger here. Why don't you pack out? Here in Aguya yesterday in office, pack out from that yard. since dịchago mma, that is mgbe ọ ka na-recover na the first one, ka anyị si ya kwapụ na that yard, kwapụ na that yard. Ọ sị ka ekwe ebe o ya eburu ngwongwo ya wee gawakwan, ka ebe o ya eburu ngwongwo ya wee gawakwan. Ị na-eburu ngwongwo, inweghezi village, inwezi ụmụnne, take your things back home. Si village na-abịa ọrụ, at least your HOD, your office people will understand that this is a danger and ihe a bụ, there is a problem. At least in na-abịa once or twice in a week, they will understand. But this lady ọ chọrọ ịnụ ụkpana ntị ike na-eso achọrọ m complete ya, but our prayer is that she will recover from this one. Ihe m ji na-share this issue bụ ka everybody be very careful. And if you are to be this lady, will you return back to that same yard anọ mee gị nke izizi? Will you return back to that same yard? Akụkwa this lady nke ịbụọ na ọ bụ ụkwụ ya ahụ na-agagharị, ọ sị na ọ chọghị ịnọ na yard ka onye mere ya hapụ ifeed that na ọta igi ya down. But come to think of it, all these people na-eledi achele na-ego achele, why do you have to do such a thing? Why do you have to sell such a thing just to destroy a beautiful life Chukwu kere gị na ya? Enwe one story mmadụ na-akọ the other day. One story somebody na-akọ the other day. Now somebody bịara igo this achele, a younger one. Ebido the woman jụwa the lady kere ihe o ji achele eme at her age. Mana ndị mmadụ agbakọ tụnyekwe that girl ihe o. So when I see ha ti that girl ihe hapụzi onye na-eli ele, as in hapụzi onye na-eli ele, ha kwesịrị itikote ha na-ebo ihe, because it's not a good thing to sell. Some people can be very dangerous. My people, we should all be very careful. When you know that there is a danger here, try to come out from there. Try to avoid that place. Okay? Try to avoid that place. So, bikono, I come to can share. Amara me here my live stream name, but I just hope and believe that this one will really work out very well. So thank you so much for joining this live. I'll talk to you soon, and I'll be uploading a very interesting and beautiful video this evening. So just wait, okay? Take care. Call the one on. Oh my God, though. Akwifugo ya na-ekwu now. Amara m ka ihe esi na network ko si ebe. I know I'm still live, but I'm not seeing the button to stop this live. What kind of thing is this now? It probably is from my network. Oh. Okay, I've seen it, guys. Oh, bye. Oh. Bye, guys.